I do it every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's just the love of my life, so.
Let's go back to Auburn, where I went to college. And the week that cabbage was on special, and I made several different dishes with just cabbage. Well, I made coleslaw, I made sausage and cabbage, and then I just did straight cabbage as if it was a salad and tossed it with, well no, that was coleslaw again. So yeah.
Well, I don't really cook. I like when people cook for me. Most of the time, I play Fortnite, then I come up on the pink twisty thing.
I can do American food, German food, Chinese food, Japanese, Canadian, Mexican, Spanish, and even Madagascarian.